Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that? An angle of elevation at the top of the building and from the foot of the tower. At the foot of the tower to the top of the building, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. And same as it is, angle of elevation at the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. And they are given that height of the tower, they are given 30 meters. Height of the tower is 30 meters. Then we have to find what is the height of the building. So height of the building, let's going to take, so this is the height. We have to find this one. So let's going to take height of the tower, capital H, that will be 30 meters. Then small h is the height of the building. We have to find it. So let's going to take what they are given here is, let's going to consider this is angle A. So angle of elevation at the foot of the building from the top of the tower at the foot of the building, that is angle A will be equal to elevations 60 degrees. This is there in triangle ABD. In triangle ABC, angle B will be equal to 30 degrees. So these are the angle of elevations. Then height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower will be, capital H will be equal to 30 meters. 30 meters. Then what is the height of the building? So we have to find height of the building will be equal to small h. We have to find what is the height of the building. So let's going to consider trigonometric ratios here. So first one, triangle ABD. So this is making 90 degrees. So in triangle ABD, so what is angle A will be equal to 60 degrees. So we know this opposite, we have to find this one. When we want to find this height in triangle ABC, so AB will be equal to AB in the both common sides. In both triangles, common side is AB. So for that we need to calculate AB in order to find the remaining one. So opposite is there, then adjacent is there. So AB is a common side. Since AB common side. So angle A will be equal to 60 degrees. Then angle B will be equal to 90 degrees. Then what is the opposite side? So tan. So let's going to take tan A. Tan A will be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is nothing but BD. Then adjacent side will be equal to AB. Adjacent side will be AB. So BD will be equal to what? 30. Then what is AB? We don't know. So tan A is nothing but tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees will be equal to 30 by AB. 30 by AB. So what you can take, tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Root 3 will be equal to 30 by AB. Then AB will be equal to 30 by root 3. So 30 by root 3. So let's go into multiply and divide with root 3 by root 3. So if you cancel it, it will going to cancel. So 30 root 3 whole divided by root 3 whole square root will going to cancel. Then what value? 30 root 3 by 3. So 3 ones are, then 3 tens are. So AB will be equal to 10 root 3 meters. So what is the value? This is 10 root 3 meters. So we know that now we found that AB is equals to 10 root 3. So from this one ABC triangle we can calculate what is the height based on same criterion. So let's going to take triangle ABC. What you can take it here. So angle B will be equal to 60 degrees. 30 degrees. So this is making 90 degrees. Angle A will be equal to 90 degrees. Same as it is tan B. Tan B will be equal to, opposite side is what? AC. Then adjacent side is what? AB. So AC we know that small h, that is the height of the building. So h by AB, keep as it is, tan B means 30 degrees. So tan 30 degrees we know that is 1 by root 3. H by, then what you can take? AB is equals to 10 root 3. Then what value we can get it? So cross multiply here. So h root 3. So what is that? Let's going to take h into root 3 will be equal to 10 root 3. 10 root 3. So h will be equal to 10 root 3 by root 3. So root 3 will going to cancel. Then h will be equal to 10 meters. Therefore, height of the building by using of trigonometric ratios, height of the building small h will be equal to 10 meters. So this is the value. So h will be equal to 10 meters. This is the way to find the solutions. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe.